It's Sairam. Today, composition period. Yes. Now, in last many weeks, teacher has done composition. Republic Day, Diwali, Christmas. Yes or no, children? And a national flower, lotus. Have you done the assignment or activity which I have told you all to draw and color it? I hope all have done. Yes. Okay. Now today I'm going to do story sequencing. Now you all will be thinking, what is story sequencing? Yes? Okay. It's very interesting. You all will like. Okay. First tell me, children, I want to know your daily routine from morning till afternoon, what you do. Can you tell me? Yes, we'll start. Okay. When you get up in the morning, first thing what do you do? First you get up, then brush your teeth. Then, yes, you do your breakfast. Then, sit and study or play. Okay, some play, some study. Then, go to tuition. Very good. Watch TV. And then you have your lunch. Yes, this is your daily routine. Yes or no? Yes. So today, the whatever you said now from morning to afternoon, that is a daily routine that you told me in the story form. Point wise point you told me in a story form. Morning I get up, then I have my breakfast, then I go to play, then I go for my tuition, then I come back and sit and study, then I have my lunch. Okay? Yes. So this thing is called as the story sequence. Now just look at the picture, children. Yes. Can you all see this picture? Yeah. Just tell me, children, from this picture there are 6 pictures. Which one will come first? What will the child do first? Can you all tell me? Yes, he will get up. Then he will brush his teeth. Then he'll have his breakfast. Then he will do exercise. Okay, let's do. Okay, he'll do exercise. Then he will study and then he will go for school. Very good. So let's see how it comes. How is the story? Which is the first one? Let's see the sequence, children. Are you all ready? Chalo, start. First one, yes. The boy will get up. He will get up in the morning. Then what he will do? Then he is doing his exercise. Then he brushes his teeth. He have his breakfast. See, now here he is going to school. Then after he comes back from school and he sits for studying. Okay, so what is this boy's routine, children? What is his story? That he gets up first, he do the exercise, then he brush his teeth, he have the breakfast, then he goes to school or tuition and he comes back from school or tuition and sits for study. This is this boy's daily routine. Its story it is. Okay, children? Okay, children, everybody must be knowing the story of the hare and the tortoise. Yes? Say loudly. Yes. Very interesting story. What is the story? Let me revise once more. I will tell you. Just listen. Once there was a hare. Hare means a rabbit. Okay? He always used to make fun of the tortoise. But they were best friends also. What he used to say? How slow you are. You are very slow. Look at me. I run so fast. I'm very fast. Okay. So what this rabbit said to tortoise one day? Come, let's run a race. We'll run a race. And we'll see who wins the race. The tortoise was very ready. She said, yes, why can't? We'll do a race. And the next day, the point was selected, the meeting point, and they met that point, and both hare and the tortoise were standing there. And they started to run a race. Now hare was very proud of himself. He was thinking that I runs very fast. This tortoise, she's very slow, Baba. Then after running for some times, the rabbit thought, see the tortoise, so back she is, so slowly she is coming. Let me take a rest. And what the tortoise hare did, what he did, he rested under a tree. And as he was resting, he fell to sleep. This poor tortoise, slowly, 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 it walk. He saw that hare is sleeping, rabbit is sleeping. And slowly, slowly, without disturbing the rabbit, slowly, 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 he walked and reached the winning post. So who won the race? The tortoise. So what is the moral of the story? Slow and steady wins the race. See, you don't see anybody's this. See, you can't say anybody's future, how they are. Okay, don't look at their face. Don't look at their walk. Okay, children. So, our next story sequence is this hare and the tortoise. I'll show you the picture and you all are going to tell me what will come first. Ready, steady, go. Here, the picture is. Tell me, what will be the first picture? See, the two friends are meeting. That will be the first. Yes. Next one will be, they are ready for the race. See, start one, it's written there. Can you see? Yes. Then they started running the race. Then the rabbit rested under a tree and went to sleep. Then the tortoise slowly, she walked and she came to the winning post at the end and she won the race. So let's see which is the first one. Yes, see, the tortoise and the hare and the rabbit, they are friends. They're meeting after many days. So what they do? They say that we will have a race. Second, see, they meet at the starting point. Third, see, they started to run the race. And see, look at the rabbit. He's running fast. And the tortoise is far behind. Very slow. The tortoise walks very slow. Then, look here. The hare, what the rabbit thought, the hare thought, chalo, the tortoise is very slow. I will take little rest under the tree. Then the hare went to sleep and the tortoise slowly walked ahead. And then it reached the winning post. So this is called as the story sequence, children. Have you all understood? Yes. Now what you all are going to do, I'll tell you. You all are going to look at the picture and the numbers, whatever number I have put, the sequence you are going to see, and according to that you are going to write it in your book. Point 1, point 2, point 3, point 4, point 5 and point 6. So both the story sequence you are going to write down in one of the book. Okay kids, till then, until then, see you, take care, bye bye.